Jai Srimannarayana. 6th sloka from 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakasakam anamayam सुखसंगेना बध्नाति ज्ञानसंगेन च अनघा। ओम। Keep on improving, developing Sattvika Gunam, the gentleness. But always remember and realize that even that Sattvika Gunam also binds you unless you act as an instrument in the hands of Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on improving Sattvika Gunam. Also I realize that this Sattvika Gunam binds me, so I shall start acting as an instrument in your hands. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव. पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 267th ಡೇ. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma along with his brother Baladeva and friends, he is wandering here and there, playing and enjoying in forest. Paramatma, the one who is always served by Sakshat Rama Lalita Padapallavaha Gramyaihi Samam Gramyavat Isha Chestitaha. The one who is served by Sakshat Sri Mahalakshmi Devi, Now he is going here and there with his bare feet and enjoying in this forest. While doing that, whenever Krishna Paramatma gets tired, Alasinacho kondaru atimodamuna వీపులెక్కించుకొని పోదురు ఏపు మరసి. Some of the Gopalas, while putting all their effort with so much of happiness, they are taking Krishna. Because Krishna is tired, they are taking Krishna onto their back and they are carrying Krishna on their backs. And whenever Krishna Paramatma is relaxing and getting into sleep, at that time, solasi nidrinchinacho ఊరు తల్పంబులిడుదురు కొందరు హితవు కలిగి. Some of the Gopalas slowly taking Krishna Paramatma's head and putting that head in their laps and giving much relief to Sri Krishna Paramatma. And some of the Gopalas, whenever Krishna Paramatma gets tired and gets sweated, some of the Gopalas bringing some leaves and doing fanning to Krishna so that Krishna feels relaxed. Like that, so many Gopalas, every Gopabalaka, every boy is giving some kind of seva, offering some kind of seva to Krishna. Some of them are massaging Krishna Paramatma's feet. Like that, all of them are engaged in offering seva to Krishna with so much of happiness and pleasantness. Because they all doing so much of seva, papa sanchayamulu bhasmamayye, all their previous lives, entire accumulated sins got into totally burnt out because of such a great amount of seva they are doing to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 6th sloka. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakashakamanayam sukhasangena badhnati jnanasangena chanagha. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakashakamanayam sukhasangena badhnati jnanasangena chanagha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.